Hello everyone, this is a tutorial video covering part 1 of student activity 3. The video will walk you through each step to help you complete the descriptive statistical analysis of the provided dataset. To begin with, click the attach file and then you will see a dataset table in a new tab browser, and then click the download icon and save it to your computer. Now, to start the analysis, click the Data Explorer website, and then here you will see the website of Data Explorer. Click this link, import your own dataset, and then choose your file here, and then click open, and then click OK. And this is the dataset table. And to analyze this dataset, click Analyze, and then click this plus sign to add the new analysis, and then choose Descriptive Statistics. And then here, you will see 4 panels, and we start with this panel, the Edit Analysis. Input your variable, for example, EC, electrical conductivity, and then here in this panel, the statistical analysis results, you will see the results of descriptive statistics. That's all. Thank you.